Ever wondered how to turn your online presence into a profitable venture? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. It's a place where you can transform your digital footprint into a thriving income stream. But what exactly is affiliate marketing, you might ask? Simply put, it's a performance-based business model where you promote other people's or companies' products and earn a commission each time a sale is made through your referral. It's a win-win situation. The product owner gets increased sales and you get a share of the pie. In this digital age, affiliate marketing has become an integral part of online business, offering a unique opportunity for passive income. It's not just about making money though, it's about building a sustainable business that can help you achieve financial freedom. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of setting up a successful affiliate marketing scheme. The first step in your affiliate marketing journey is finding your niche. Now you might ask, what's a niche? Well, it's a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. It's your corner of the world where you are the expert, the go-to person, the authority. You see, in the vast sea of the internet, it's just not enough to be a jack of all trades. You need to be a master of one. Why is this important? Because choosing a niche will give you a clear focus for your affiliate marketing efforts. It will help you understand who your audience is, what they want, and how you can provide value to them. Your niche is the foundation upon which you will build your affiliate marketing empire. Without it, you're just drifting aimlessly in a sea of competition. So how do you choose a niche? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. Start with what you know. What are you passionate about? What do you have expertise in? What are you interested in learning more about? These are all good starting points for finding your niche. Once you've identified potential niches, it's time to do some research. Look at the market. Is there a demand for this niche? Who are the competitors? Can you offer something unique or better? The more you understand your niche, the better you can tailor your marketing efforts to reach your target audience. But remember, choosing a niche isn't about finding something no one else is doing. It's about finding a place where you can add value. It's about finding a space where you can stand out, where you can make a difference. That's where you'll find success in affiliate marketing. You see, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that it gives you the opportunity to turn your passion into profit. It allows you to share what you love with the world and make money doing it. That's why choosing a niche is so important. It's not just about making money, it's about sharing your passion. Now that you have chosen a niche, it's time to find the right affiliate programs. Choosing the right affiliate program is crucial for your success. This is the part of the process where your chosen niche starts to pay dividends. It's time to find the right affiliate program that aligns with your niche and can help you make money online. Finding the right affiliate program can seem overwhelming, but don't worry. It's like shopping for the perfect pair of shoes. You need to try on a few before you find the one that fits just right. Start by doing some research. Look for programs that offer products or services in your chosen niche. There are thousands of affiliate programs out there, so you're bound to find several that line up with your interests. But don't just pick any program that matches your niche. Consider other factors like the commission rates, product quality, and the reputation of the affiliate program. Let's break down these factors a bit further. Commission rates are a big deal. They determine how much you're going to earn per sale. Look for programs that offer competitive rates. A higher commission rate can make a significant difference in your earnings, especially when you're just starting out. Product quality is equally crucial. You want to promote products or services that you believe in. If your audience doesn't see value in what you're promoting, they aren't likely to make a purchase. And if they do and aren't satisfied, that could hurt your reputation. Speaking of reputation, that brings us to the final factor, the reputation of the affiliate program. Do some digging. Read reviews and testimonials. What are other affiliates saying about the program? A good reputation often indicates a reliable program that values its affiliates. Remember, the right affiliate program for you is one that fits your niche, offers a good commission rate, has quality products, and holds a solid reputation. It's not always easy to find, but when you do, it's a game changer. With the right affiliate program, you're one step closer to monetizing your online presence. Creating engaging content and promoting products effectively are the keys to successful affiliate marketing. Let's dive in. Creating content might sound like a daunting task, but it's actually a fun and creative process. It's all about giving value to your audience while subtly promoting your affiliate products. But how do you do that? Start by understanding your audience's needs and wants. Build your content around solving their problems or fulfilling their desires. For instance, if you're promoting fitness products, You might create content about healthy living or workout routines. Then, make sure your content is engaging. Use storytelling, humor, or educational facts to keep your audience interested. Remember, the more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to click on your affiliate links. Now let's talk about promoting products. The key here is to seamlessly integrate your affiliate links into your content. You don't want to sound like a salesperson. Instead, you should sound like a friend recommending a product they genuinely love. Always be transparent about your affiliate links. Trust is crucial in affiliate marketing. If your audience trusts you, they're more likely to purchase the products you recommend. You also need to promote your content. This can be done through various online platforms, social media, email newsletters, blog posts, YouTube videos, and podcasts are all excellent channels to promote your content. Use SEO strategies to make your content easily discoverable. Remember, the more people see your content, the higher the chances of them clicking on your affiliate links. Lastly, monitor your progress. Use analytics tools to see which content and promotion strategies are working and which ones aren't. This will help you optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. And there you have it. Creating engaging content and promoting products effectively are not just tasks, they're an art. An art that, when mastered, can lead to a successful affiliate marketing journey. It's all about providing value, building trust, and promoting wisely. Remember, your content is the vehicle that drives your affiliate marketing success. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about becoming a successful affiliate marketer. It's been a journey, hasn't it? We've explored the vast world of affiliate marketing, and we've discovered that it's not as daunting as it might seem at first. We started by understanding the very essence of affiliate marketing. It's all about promoting products or services for a commission. It's a lucrative way to monetize your online presence, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a social media account. It's about creating a win-win situation for you, the brand, and your audience. Next, we delved into the importance of choosing a niche. Remember, a niche is a specialized segment of the market that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It's crucial to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and your audience's needs. This will make your marketing efforts more authentic and effective. Then, we navigated the landscape of affiliate programs. There's a sea of opportunities out there, and it's important to select the ones that offer competitive commissions, quality products, and excellent support. The right program can be a launching pad for your success. We also touched on the art of creating engaging content and promoting products. Content is king in the digital world, and it's your bridge to your audience. Whether it's a blog post, a video, or a social media update, your content should be valuable, relevant, and engaging. It should also seamlessly incorporate your affiliate links, making it easy for your audience to make a purchase. Finally, we discussed the importance of consistency and patience. Success doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, continuous learning, and a pinch of patience. But with the right approach and mindset, you can turn your affiliate marketing endeavor into a thriving online business. And there you have it. That's the roadmap to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. It's a journey filled with opportunities, challenges, and rewards. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.